So you come here and I say nothing. Oh, we had to laugh. We are laughing. Oh, that one now come on. Oh, Jesus. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let me click that something here.
What going on so now?
How are these? How you come out in a green? I can't take it. So you come out in a green glasses for a walk one, I walk keep.
No, keep those people them to come tune in and do them for the
So Bruce, what go on? Where all your camera not on? You remember say you said this week, your body camera for on.
Bruce there to
Shrek. All right.
forgot to turn on that thing there.
Eh?
Got to turn on that thing there, you know, that actually works sometimes. She was
I don't know why that one here, nah.
Leave. Hello. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2 3 4. We're ready, people.
Long time.
Long time. How we can put up like the picture by itself like that?
Yeah, before you come on, you have to do it too.
So I have to come off.
No, just click the camera, you see.
We can't turn on my camera because I'm full of dust same way. Just lit the one wall.
That's what I say when you turn on the camera, you go see the green screen thing, you just pick a picture and put it up.
So where you there now?
You need it.
Me not see you.
Right, that's all. If more on the
Where you
phone,
just
can't see
move.
it.
Move, you just move right in front of the camera.
You know, just turn the camera away from me so people can't see the screen.
Okay, cool.
Now, you can put on your phone down and listen. Watch your tall here and makeup and thing.
I
I
mean, my
want to
chat?
keep, I
I
want
mean,
to
your
keep
chat?
it.
I mean, your chat?
Mm,
I mean, your chat?
mm.
First and foremost, I don't know where I talk about.
Let me go and share this thing.
Shorty, don.
First of all, I'm very tall. All right? Very.
I wish you have full rules, but read one, pick up yourself, like up every day. You know the thing, watch your child up there. Oh, watch your put up for all them shorty. You know the chaps go.
Where not the operate? So,
Alright, feel like folks, I'm checking as you can see on my screen. Big five, couple zeros back of that. That's what's up. Big up the hairstylist, makeup artist. Yo, tell you know man. You come turn up in a party. Tell the charge, quick, I go and man it, I go and you're fine. I tell you man. Those boy like in the wall say something but in the wall. 2,907. Woo!
come on, Yeah.
Yeah. Oh shoot, I'm gonna put it on the status. How you do now, Danehsa?
Yeah. There's something. One of them. It'll go off every minute, so may I try swap it out.
Okay, folks, our host is doing the something. The something will go off, so she's fixing it. But in the meantime, we're at 100% talent live TikTok show, the promotional show, the road to 500,000. We're here with Killer Wayne, aka Tawcha, aka Mad Dog, aka Colors, aka which other aka we missed?
Wayne, Killer Wayne.
Hey Tawcha, you know say from Wapi Kill Film, I have your number and my phone as Colors, right?
Yeah.
Colors slash Mad Dog. And more time I search for Tawcha and can't find Tawcha. A problem,
Right.
Sometimes if you don't message me, I can't find the number because every day I say I go change the name to Tawcha and I not remember to change the name.
Bunks on rhythm in the background. These rhythms are trap rhythms. One switch artist can come drop something for one of them body rhythm.
I thought that was reggae.
What happened?
What you doing?
Yo, that money and him 510 vice then. I'm not doing nothing. I could support something coming like you know. There you go. All right. I see Miss Juliet was adding. I was trying to add her, but I don't know where she went. So
Juliet must have gone at town.
no, she was no, she was requesting the box. I was trying to accept her, but I'm sending her back a friend request. So.
Alright, show me if I did the moderator thing. Tag to invite. Yes.
Well, may I invite her? Just she's supposed to accept it now.
Click where it be.
All right.
Oh, give me a go on, bro. Here it
You
is.
think you could have read one rhythm, Dan?
Manera?
You think you could have read one rhythm if I try?
I read him off of my candy, DJ. Go on your ways, yeah? You know,
That
different
man.
still. I have a look at tune. But I
Yeah,
can ready for that
no.
one day.
Yeah,
Run piece.
no. Why me ready to feed? Other part of
Yeah.
the rhythm. Oh, why me ready to feed? Why me?
So run that tune then now. I make what ears spit something, make what ear something.
Tune. Who can say
Yeah.
artist?
Eh?
Who can say artist?
Youth, we just tell us, say, we just run the alliance, we not have to be the DJ feet.
Oh God, we can't keep up. Run something in a Bruce and make what ear something.
Yeah, man, bro. Just something for the
But
rhythm.
when you run something, in a step on the beat,
Wait, I run and left the beat.
Yeah.
For the rhythm, for the rhythm. Come in those cover drop something on the ready. On the ready, on the ready. Hey, on the ready, on the ready. Wait, dance that. On the ready, on the ready. Hey, 500,000 on the
Watch
ready.
our face. Watch our face. Watch our
And
face
we
when the
got
feelings are swear.
a freestyle, man. Freestyle. So the thing can fly.
Free smile.
We done grab a hunting, breakfast. We done down bed, we and them hunting and stunting. We can't get no weed, what a something. You carry them to me, youth. A number one youth.
Mr. Bruce, you do the man where sometime when them apply for Apollo. Ever watch Apollo yet? When the man them now sing and the man come up and start shovel the people them off of the stage.
Yeah.
That's what I need for do to touch. I can do that what kind of tune that.
Yeah.
Hey, lioness.
Where's the lioness?
She just joined. She just like the live.
But I really many and crooks.
So Bruce, go and tell the people them about the website now. Oh, they
The nightmare website where everybody I go like.
yes. And how to register and everything and the team, the blue and the yellow team, and how them can look from season 1 to 3.
I would say, yeah. What one, what?
Everything dead there and the articles and dead if you wanna read up about the past contestant them. You know when time we do them live, yeah, it become an article as well and all of them thing there. You know, our website where artists then can post them music, then can get gift for them music because the gifting is up on live, credit card, PayPal. So artists can get support through their music during the talent show and after the talent show. As long as
Lady
people,
Tash in the building. Hey, welcome.
Go on, Tash. Big up,
Lady
you know.
Tash, you wanna join us up here, Lady Tash?
That's all like artist. Go on, this. Tash, talk to
Lady Tash, I wanna the original judge them.
Oh, she's a judge.
Yeah.
Just I'm working.
She have a going
Are you
on.
still at work?
Oh, she a walk, she a walk. Oh, I know that good thing there. But me, they get
Okay,
to
okay.
hello, judge.
So what you also stated that you're coming like a similar to TikTok, where them can always buy in kinds and them something there.
Yeah, man, you buy kinds, you use the kinds for buy vote, buy gifts, and all of that. So it's very similar to TikTok. The real system is similar. You watch video, you scroll, you watch, but we are stick to video where artists them post. The artists them and the other performers. You know, so it function like TikTok, but it stick to entertainment, music and acting and you know, all of them talents there where would I enter the show and so forth. And you know we carry the team rivalry, so it's all about the blue and yellow, you know. So there's a blue team group and a blue yellow group where people can congregate and you understand plan them strategy and all of them something the way other team won't get a chance to look and see what go on over there. So enough little ways and all I video them the YouTube video them is on the site automatically from the past talent show them so people can always go and look on those, check out the pictures and all of that, you know. Check up on the artist them because the artist them are gonna have bio so you can read up on the artist them and support. As we go along, articles are gonna write up about the artists and them thoughts and all of that. So it's gonna be all about the performance them.
And then Oh, what restriction? Okay.
But I will that one, man. I know me. What me do? I don't know. How you do that?
Body exposure. Somebody not body exposure.
I want the one that's going that. Bomba, I wonder how that. You not come for me scream. You
No,
know me tell you say.
it just gonna tell me. Me tell it too, not one.
No, but that no
We
make no
got three.
sense.
It got three restrictions.
That no make no sense. Where? How? Oh, you see me say TikTok have a little problem sometimes with them something, you
It
know.
says sexual behavior.
Wow.
Anyways, maybe somebody I report it. Maybe somebody I report. Anyways,
Oh, and somebody I try, me tell you this, man. When moderator them, then check in them and I start black wolf black now.
That one that lick me for 6.
Now I tell them I'm those come here and say, well, the medicine restriction come up on the screen. Me not lie, me have a rare bonus, but boy, me not see nothing that come, me make sure stay far.
now it says sexual behavior and body language or whatever. I don't know where. None of us are naked on here, but whatever. Anyways,
So
I
we
finished.
TikTok see, I mean, I see. How we TikTok that see, bros?
Oh no. Maybe somebody reported that. Anyways, go and finish where you said, Bruce. Go along. And they can also them read up on every judges and have a look bio on each and every one of us.
Oh yes. And Lady Tash,
Amen, Tash.
remember give me
I
a
mean, Tash.
bio.
How are them a try, Tash? To them, man. Style them a try, style. Me have a funny feeling, say. Me go lift it, yeah. Me go lift it.
Talk your mind. Talk your mind. Talk what you want, talk.
Bro, so now we alone have competition out there. And now we alone are trying to do this year. So them are going to come across and do something. More prayers that me said to. More prayers that me said.
I
Bros,
met
wait till
them
me take a
know
thing.
met them know killer win because at the end of the day you have on your ring and nobody
Yeah, I'm telling her this. Don't run in. You see her? You see her? Don't run in. Yeah? And fully geared up with God. Fully geared up with God. Be oil and powder with God. That man I tell you no, I'm not talk about oil out of pot. That man I tell them, yeah. Be olive oil upon them. God I work. What you mean touch that? I tell them I'm God I work, man. Them man
Lioness,
space.
come up in that box, make the people them hear your voice.
Spinner road.
listen.
Yeah, so a new location. New location. We're going on Elsha Road, so the event's supposed to last longer
Night
this time
night.
around. Because the last time we had the Pomor Mall, but we had restriction on the time. So if we finish by 8 at
What
our time.
lioness? Hey, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Again, everybody.
Hey,
Not
night night.
fair.
So what are you basically telling them, bro? Say when I have when is the competition start? The October part. That is what you're letting them know?
October 3rd is audition, right?
Yeah, so yeah, October 3rd and October 17th. That is
Yes.
audition.
Yes.
So what are you telling them? What is a cutoff time that you guys have to
No,
leave the building?
no. There's no cutoff time. That's last show where we were at a different location. So we're not worrying about that. So the location
Okay.
would have book out from a day till in the night. So
So is there a time?
time is 6 p.m.
Okay.
Always 6 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're still going with the 6 p.m.
Okay then.
right? And
Um,
we're also looking into after party, and when we're doing the after party, we are the things to support the performance, them to help with them vote. You understand? Yeah, so we're trying to find ways to make them benefit. So this time around it's different. The money double up. As you can see, the money double up. We start off at 250. Season two we make it to 300,000. And season 3 was the same. Now we're going to 500,000. So the show is growing and the show is improving as we go along. So now you see we're on TikTok and we're doing the TikTok promotion. We're gonna keep this up forever. You understand? Because we're not stop. Even when the show stop, we're not stop the TikTok promotion. So the name are gonna always out there. And the website are gonna be a big, big improvement to the whole talent database system, because that's how we are create a database. So future wise, when people want artists, they want young artists, want them look towards the talent website and see if they can find an artist, because that is a resume as an artist or as a performer. You need an actress, an actor, you come on the site. There's bound to be one or two. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So we merge with movie business, with the music business, and make everybody find a way to make everybody thrive and earn as we go along.
Okay.
So that's where we are so far. So Dan, every week come on and you know, introduce yourself. Lioness.
I do. Them know they already do. I already know my name, them already know Tawcha Aug.
No
Who are we
man,
name for?
we're fresh people where a pass through, you know, so you have to make yourself be known.
Well, we'll introduce ourselves every week. Everyone, I'm Dan. I will be a TikTok host alongside Torture every Sunday from 8 p.m. Jamaican time, US time, 9 o'clock.
Rose, a that. One restriction under your blow.
I want to know again.
Other voice, they Bruce make TikTok no like. Remember TikTok stay away, you know, man. Them nice voice they TikTok no used to, you know.
Get out of here.
You soon see restriction come up again, you go say, man, you want to say them voice, you know, man. On TikTok one you own rusty voice, man. Yeah, my name is Dan. Hey, that them a look for them not expect. I remember Jamaican TikTok this, you know. All over, you know. We're not on American TikTok, you know, we're on Jamaican, so.
And anyway, since I'm controlling the page, we're based in America, okay? Okay, if you never know. Yes.
Yeah, you feel
Yes.
so?
Yes.
Then don't read
Bruce,
clear line long time.
let your other host know that is American based, please.
Mm-hmm. We'll see what one.
Okay,
When
thank
the
you.
other was thinking the Spanish done.
Tell him again. The hell?
Straight out of Spanish town.
Yeah.
But you have to give them the Spanish town.
Hi
Hey, Miss
girl,
Julia.
I'm
Yourself.
here. I am here.
Miss Juliet,
Great.
Yes, good night, guys. All is
you
well.
know, like how you come and say, girl, like you know me, you know, remember me and your
No,
friends
this
first.
I don't
Yeah.
say.
Somebody
This,
just jealous.
but you wait now. I one thing I want to know. You see, all me come and the young lady greet me because you guys were on first, and when I came on, she greet me. Me not, you come now accost me, and me not hear the other person greet me. So me want to know if it's a gang up or a war thing on the depend, because me can't tell you no plain and straight. Me don't have my track shoes. Me's a runner, not a fighter. So talk or not talk. So me do me for run
Thank
and me for
you.
stand up.
like how you run the other week.
I mean, I have the goat to run me down this week.
Lad, I didn't run the better, you know. That run that one day, that run for one day, that store. Me that talk when you're on the live and then you run well when they call you, we can't hear you.
No, you have to understand, say no. I have been having some issues with my provider, my internet provider from the other day. Sometimes I'll be talking and all I see is the thing just spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning and nothing at all. So forgive me for last week because The internet went down and the light went away about 2 to 3 times around here. We were having some issues. I don't know why. And I know my bills are paid so far. So I don't know if I spite them, I spite me, because, you know, I don't know.
Probably. Because I'll be a spite and I go on and reporting, you know.
That me I
Because
say.
they report you earlier of it to our nakedness. And
They
Yeah,
report.
all that we have our clothes.
Roots. You
Where
just
is
so
it?
go on with the pussy and him.
No, I thought he was acting. Like,
No, no, sir. I want to touch her. One touch her in the background of fight.
You want him push them.
Oh, it look like they might overthrow him. No, sir. Mm-mm. No, this is serious. Somebody call back up.
I was trying to figure it out, but, you know.
Yeah, but so we are here live once again. Consiverse, 100%
It,
talent.
it was that serious. So what am I do? Attack you? Your cat was attacking you?
Eh?
Your cat, they was
Hello.
attacking you or something?
Them Ross, yo, chop. When pussy I get too big here, bros, now come get two of them and boom, chop.
Me- Yeah, me
Box,
need a
for me,
bigger
big
one for
yo.
about 2 weeks now. Me a bigger one, I mean, I hear back from you.
Yo, me say, you know, me go low you, make you buy the card and make you shock your heart. Watch, me go low you.
Yeah, man. Make it shock him
I
then you
know
plug
you.
out it.
Backside, me make my plug up my fan. And then I look for me about, yo. That shake up, you know. Plug in the fan, walk and plug it up back. You hear me? With the pan light, just building yourself. I start own milk. That I start own milk.
And then not
I
a
go,
problem, they want food. They don't want no more milk, then drink enough milk, so they might plug out the fan for say, you're not getting no cool down in here until you give it the cat feeding. Cat
right.
feed, cat feed. There these days, 370. And some, they may go somewhere at 6,000, yeah, me $600 a pound. The lady I sell it for me. I wonder if she depend on drugs. One next one I sell me for $500. So I found a nice little wholesale that sell it to me for $370. So I'll be sticking to that wholesale until them find out. So the rest of the people them cross the fence I sell it so dear.
Cat food that I want.
Yeah, $370 a pound.
What kind of cat food that?
And it's really good because my cat eat it and him not like anything.
How you look?
Like cat food?
No, me say how you look now. Regular size and thing though.
Yeah, some smaller pebbles. Some smaller pebbles.
Wait, it look like cat food.
Now what if you tell him say,
No, me I say what the cat look like now, how big the cat is.
no, my cat is a giant cat. When him ready, he does run and chuck and jump and all in my head, in my back. Him not bother even in an argument with me these days. Him feel like him own the whole thoroughfare. So he just come in, walk pa my back, walk in on my head, walk go through the window, come back in, come to me. When me a pass him, I look ramping and I lick me pa my foot and all of them with it. Any day me ever lick him back is a day nah.
What are they? How are the stash, right?
Hi,
Whoa.
sweetheart. How are you, Tash? All is well? See, huh?
I'm not getting to some cat food. My boy, so a little bit now. Imagine when they get a little bigger. Boom, boy.
Rude, them rude, man. Very rude. Cats are very rude, but Lord, they're so nice. I'm not a cat person. I love dogs. But
Dog too loud for me, that now. Nah, but that dog too loud.
All right, so Tasha already know Miss Clemmy, right?
Yeah, man, she say yes, sis, big up.
So Tasha is the other judge. Tasha's been with the competition for a long time.
Hey, Tash,
Miss Clemmy,
that is
Miss Clemmy, are you second year this?
yes, my second year. Hi, Lioness. How art thou?
I'm good. Hope you are too.
I'm good.
Possible.
Humba, she shy when she hears you say aye. Juliet meltdown.
So Juliet, only you can make Lioness talk. I've been
And that,
saying hi to Lioness from Wapikil Philo and I don't get a return.
oh my.
Hi.
Good people are good people. Sorry for you.
So you
Oh,
get it,
was that a
Jokes?
hi? Was that a hi for me?
Yeah, that was a hi for you.
Oh, thank you.
Watch
Welcome.
man a blush. Man a blush in him a blush.
Lord.
Woo! Woo!
Rasta can blush too, you know.
I tell you man, although the beard not gonna make you see it that much, but it a blur it a I tell you,
He blushes.
he blushes man. He
He
not blush.
blushes.
He blushes.
That is what the beard is for.
Yeah man, for hide a whole heap. Me tell me that man, you know when man sad or when man happy, you know. You don't know.
I hide them always in the eye.
Fight peace I fall and swallow I pass. You know what I mean? Hungry you know, man, I can't go and give and start myself you know. Dan,
Eh?
can I share my food today?
If I'm not doing what?
Can I share some of the food?
The food?
Watch out now, 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 watch out now.
Me know why you get hooked to me.
Alright. Oh, me know say have food. Me know say you have food, oh, nah, man.
No, why you
So
get hooked to me.
yeah, I don't have beat food, lad.
I
Gosh.
tell you, man.
No, me never that eat no food. No, there's something that clip on from the tablet.
I'm see your mom go. What do you do?
I wasn't eating. Me never eat nothing.
I tell me say you turn cow chew cow, you know that man. I tell you, you know, yeah, do you know?
Oh, we're not seeing you, Juliet.
No, me not have on my cute look.
I walk on your son. Yeah, let's laugh.
I know the feeling.
Woo!
Juliet had tricked me, you know. Me and Juliet talk, you know. And Juliet say, yes, this week is seeing me for sure.
But you see me the other 2 weeks. Don't you see me? Don't you see me?
No, that was those week. I'm talking about this week.
Oh, no, go send me now for go put on all some cute wig and all of them something. Me can't bother cause my head pull up and everything. I am just, I am just basking in the moment. You know them time that you're there home and you just want, let it go, let it go. That's me. I just want peace to them. I just want to talk to the people them and make them know say, them support. Hello, 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 hello. Yes, my dear.
Alright, Tash, lock up your business, please. Make sure you lock it up safe.
I tell you no.
Oh, the end and I get my lighter up. I say, my lighter never there in the soil. I go, you me tell you so now I get panic bomb. Sure.
Oh, mute your mic when you're talking to those posts.
You smile and move like you no smoke, you know?
Right, Tash, do your thing. Hopefully we see you soon. It's been quite a while.
Lighter. Fire.
So,
Burn.
Mr. Clemmy,
Yes, dear.
as judge this time around, what you have in mind for the competition? What should we look out for in your playbook? Are you coming as Miss Clemmy? Are you coming as Juliet? Who will look out for?
Well, because in life you can't be one dimensional. You will see a variety of characters. So just get ready to deal with all of them, You might see Dell one day, you might see Miss Clemmy one day, you might see Miss Brenda one day, you might see Ima one day. Me just don't know which one I gotta be which one when you see me.
Because
But
we have to represent with John right now.
yeah, so because of that, I will come one day, as a singer, one day, as a writer, one day as a performer. And remember, I do cultural dance, so I
Who they
might
telling
come
now?
and somebody and me supposed to have a dance off, and I'll know the person can step up to the plate for have the dance off with me.
The
Because guess
last
what? Me
time I
need a
check, a person have two left foot.
I would
two
that. I done
left.
that though. I done that, man.
But when me
Yeah.
say still, me want a good drummer because
Every day I
when
don't
me
ask.
put them hips here to use, for sure, no, only one person me know say a lioness alone me go show up how fi do some of the cultural dance them. If Tacha
Watch
want join
out.
him, can come join, because me get fear say
Yeah,
Tacha did a
yeah.
big dancer one time.
June.
Yes. I run
You
up
feel
and
like
down
lioness can't do? You feel like lioness no bad? Lioness, I watch your
no, no,
culture.
me know so she can dance otherwise, but me want teach her the cultural dance, like the kumina, the dinky mini, the gere.
Hello.
Yeah.
From there, so she a come from. You think she know them boogie yaga now? No, sir.
You understand? And then now, you understand me, me understand, say, she will understand. Sometimes I go come as a poet. You understand? So every week, I go come with something representing, you understand me, 100% talent, showing you that. You understand me? You come with whatever you have. So it is not going to be normal. It is not going to be one dimensional. It's going to be flexible. A little something young, a little something old, a little something in between. We carry all kind of energy. So, and they're only good energy. So you will see that, Mr. Master Bruce.
Okay, I'm definitely looking forward. And Tacha come, I represent him craft as a dancer, as a comedian, as an
So,
Yes, sir.
actor.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so when Tacha come as a dancer now, him can represent in a that, we come as dancer one week. All of us as judges and hosts, we have to. I think it would be nice to come representing a genre every week. You understand? To give it that kind of as my granny would say, oomph. Wait,
If
the
if we are gonna do
competition
that,
need.
if we are gonna do that, though, still we have to change up the competition now. If we are come as a dancers, all of the alone dancing, we have to go deal with. If we come as a poet, a be a poet, people we have to deal with. If you understand, we have
Well,
to
That
mix
that
it.
that in itself is a nice concept, but we have to
yeah,
bear in mind say a whole heap of variety a
yeah.
I
come.
don't know. I don't
Yeah,
know.
so when we do when we do come with those, it would maybe can be an introduction to what to them, to show them that the variety of things that we can do, and just show them, give them some example, Wayne, of what is expected of them. So it don't have to be because we're gonna do dance that day or music that day or whatever. We're just giving them something to look forward to, because sometimes when you do competitions and stuff, you just go there, you sit the judges sit at the table and everything. Sometimes what you can do, you can have a light moment with the persons who are going to be competing, to show them that, listen, lighten up, because and you will take off the edge, because I think most times some people come in the field nervous, but when they see you as somebody who is easy to interact with, and see that you have a little vibe about you, it kind of take off the edge and give them more vibe to present their piece that they will be taking to the competition. So if you're a dancer, we can start the run whatever it is. So you know what to do that, because you are the dancer. Me can't tell you nothing about the dancing world, Tacha. You in your genre. For me now, it's just coming.
And
Um,
then,
I believe is when you guys when you guys are doing the hosting, when you can do that,
Thank you.
Bruce. No, no. Instead of you guys when it's full time for being judge, then I believe every week one of the judge them is going to be the hosting. So whatever idea that you guys have right now, I believe when to become the host, only can do that. Right,
Same.
Bruce?
Sounds good to me.
All right.
So
Well,
when is Julia night?
Danisa I talk about I want like a shift in the program. I decided not to have one constant host. But because I'm looking at the panel and every judge that sits on the panel is a host. Tasha is a host, Tash is a host, Juliet is a host, Danehsa is a host. I just me alone and one host.
Really?
So
Oh, how comes you get off of that?
Juliet, you know me
Tell
go
him
drop off a
again.
stage when the people have look for me, me go
Look here,
drop off a
Bruce.
stage.
Bruce, remember, say me act on stage with you already, you know. So nobody come with the foolishness, you know.
No, that
So
don't
if
mean
you're
for
gonna
me
come
a
with the
host.
foolishness, I try draw away yourself, push out me and Tawcha and touch. It not going work. When you say something now, when
Danehsa,
I make it look like I'm me alone stay
No,
bad. When you say
I
something,
told him. I told him he needs to get out of this shyness because I even signed him up for this. You know, the little guy that walks around on TikTok that called Mr. M that asks a lot of questions. There's a question about Jamaica and the island and the people them answer. So I'm sign him up. Bruce said, "My God, him not can't catch you in tongue." So I was like, Bruce, you have to come out of this shyness. You
I
have
would have asked
to.
somebody on the line, you see, if him tongue lock up anywhere. Him tongue is loose as ever. So let him go out there and talk. You understand?
Yes,
we
I
will
agree.
see. We will see how it goes. We will see how it goes. You know,
Thank you.
probably when the competition gets sweet, you know, no can't shut me up the entire time. I don't know.
Well, let us hope for
But
the best.
yes, we're hoping for the best. And
So finish tell them about the everybody's gonna be the host. You're not gonna use that one host there no
yeah,
more.
man, five show we have, and we have mixture on the people. So everybody be host for a night, and the other 4 night them a judge, right? The other 4 shows, but we not call it night. The other 4 shows them a judge, but them a host for one night. So everybody get to feel what it is like to be host, and at them interview the judge them when a break time and all of them something there. So we're gonna say which host bring it really, you know, and I would say represent a genre at that point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the people and the audience can actually see where our strength lies.
Okay.
So we're not just sit down there and write on paper and not have nothing for back it, you know?
Right.
We're qualified people. And like Danehsa was talking about the website and how everybody bio up on the website, and when you read the bio them you see say people them qualified quite qualified, you understand? Yet me not think Tasha reading bio yet, but come like me know more about Tasha than he know about himself. So
And look here now. Look here, Tawcha is too quiet, you know. Tawcha, what you down there doing to the cat? It look like said the cat Lord Jesus, it look like a cat shock himself. And Tawcha try resuscitate him. Lord God. Tawcha not hear a
it
word
looks
we are saying.
serious. It looks serious.
Yeah, it looks serious for true.
Oh Lord. The responsibilities will come with owning a cat.
May I tell you?
And Juliet, we're also looking guest judge. I want you find at least 2 judge from out of your genre
Uh-huh.
become the guests. I look judge from out of my genre. I'm hope Tash can draw one too.
No problem.
Yeah. So we just want people that is out there understand what the feel is like. We can talk on it. You understand?
Yeah.
And it just come to me say we need one little interview segment with the guest judge. So a
Yeah.
qualified guest judge will use and so forth.
Yeah.
Because everything will happen when newspaper article writer write something about you know.
Mm-hmm.
We have a journalist on board that just write from left to right about
Okay.
everything that takes place. So we
Yeah.
have what like a newspaper settings on the website. We have a whole like a newspaper magazine. I don't think I get a chance to look on it yet, Juliet.
No, but I'll be
I
looking.
think you should if you can turn on the camera, Bruce, and show them a previewer.
I don't know how to do that.
I think hold on. Let me see.
Ah, okay.
So what I think would be nice is to print a few copies, like 3 or 4 copies
Mm-hmm.
from the previous week. Yeah, you understand? And make
Mm-hmm.
people say, all right, we have one newspaper, one magazine can print out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that in itself should have be a little motivation.
Mm-hmm.
But no, so you can look up yourself online and say what go on and then wait it.
Mm-hmm.
So we are trying to encourage the entertainers them in as many way as we can this time
Mm-hmm.
around. Yes. And we're not letting them go, right? Because when that done, we have movies and plays coming up and so forth. So there will always be something to do in entertainment.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so that is the plan so far.
Okay.
Big plans, big dreams.
Sorry.
So away people that run gone.
I'm right here.
Oh, Lioness, if you're there, what do you think of what is going on? Yeah, you've heard what we're talking about so far.
It all sounds good to me.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, you have anything to put? How Lioness Music will be coming on board and supporting the artists, especially the reggae artists?
I think you can explain that.
I could, but I want you to elaborate
Next time.
next time.
I will
Okay.
speak when we hear some artists come on live and perform for us. How about that?
Oh, so
I
you
think
want the artists to come
we
perform
really
for
need
us?
to get Major on here to perform. I would like to hear that. Yeah. So I'll speak when we hear some artists on the live.
So we'll hear from you more when Major come on to perform.
Mm-hmm.
So it all
Okay.
depends on
And
Major.
here's the website. So you want to demonstrate?
You have to start from the front, girl.
I did it. I'm here. So it said choose your team. You can
Uh-huh.
see it, right?
Yeah, we can see it.
Right. So my favorite. Oh, hold on. Let me turn it up a little bit so you guys can hear. Okay. So my favorite color is team blue. I'm a blue girl. So my whole entire screen will be blue because I'm a select blue. So, all right, here's the magazine that you guys can go on.
Juliet that down there, son?
Yes, so here is an article about everyone, all you guys judges. So let's click on Master Bruce.
Click on
Here's
Juliet.
his here's his bio. And I say, so I touch you. Okay, Miss Juliet. Okay.
Yes. Click on Miss Clemmy, of course. The best bio. Although I can't see it. We need bigger words.
Well, it's just a preview of the website and how it looks.
I read if you read it. But Mr. Tacha, what going for Tacha?
Torture is here.
Read the bio, no? You can see the words. If you can see the words, give me a quick read.
Here,
Tell me about
Bruce, are
Tacha.
you writing?
Give me just the first line, the first two sentences.
Here's your judge, Mr. Torture, known as Killer Wayne. He's an actor, a comedian, a DJ. You know, so me not like the something here because maybe I threw the filter because everybody have an eyelash. You see it?
The man, man, the eyelash.
No, No, myself I my something. Everybody picture get eyelash. You never say you get eyelash too.
Me never see the eyelash, you know. Me that dead, me not have
Yeah,
it.
it was.
Tawcha, when I
Okay.
hear your mic mute.
And then guys can go on the wall of fame. Well, not narrated. This is okay. Let's go to season 1. You guys can see everyone that was on season 1 and what team they was on. So it's all the way up to season 3 so far, and we're on season 4.
So
So you
there
can,
is a lot to see.
yes, and you guys can go on the videos and you can watch the previous competition here.
So we don't miss nothing.
No,
Now.
so everything is here. You can go in again. You can read upon every single body from season 1 all the way up to season 3.
Right, and all those photos are downloadable. You can download your photos. I'm going at the store.
The store?
Yeah, me think the store up. Because that's where the most work go into, you know. The store is on the bottom thing. You'll have to come out a gallery if you're
Okay.
going at the
No, I'm
store.
here. No, I'm here at the bottom. Okay.
Yeah. So right here saw the important part. So you can see the vote right here. So if you put it over to coin, just see where to buy your coins. So if me buy 110,000 coins, that mean me can use my coins by vote if me want, and me can use my coins by gift for the performer them. So when we buy gift for performer them get them coins there. So them can withdraw the coins or them can use it and buy vote for themselves as well. So we're coming with different ways to make them earn and to make them buy votes. Also,
We have merchandise.
yes, clothes I got there on sale. Well, we have a little bit now, but them are gonna become now. Plus, I think all
And
team
this,
members are gonna get one of the shirt then.
you
These
want
are
to talk about here?
sponsorship. Yeah, we are asking people to sponsor a performer, right? So if we can get a business like we ourselves, if we can get Digital to sponsor John Tom, then John Tom don't have to worry about vote. John Tom can just focus on the competition and his performance. So for the whole time, Digital be with him vote, so him don't have to worry about one vote. You understand? So this is something we want to push, Juliet. Sponsoring a performer. It would be like a beauty pageant and somebody just sponsor one of the girl them and pay for them dress and pay for this and pay for that. So it would be like that, you know? Somebody assisting a performer.
So would the performer go out and find that sponsor for themselves, or a sponsor can just come on and be like, hey, I really like this contestant
Well,
here, I'm going to load them up?
Yes, a sponsor can come on and like a performer and decide to sponsor that performer. A performer B, a performer can go out there. Somebody might know, like, I'm a performer, I know this guy that have a funeral home and he would have want to sponsor. You understand what I say? So him become that sponsor, and in return, him get to put him business card on the site me as the performer, give him a shout out every time I perform because he's my sponsor. So I got big
Cool.
up in business, you know?
Yeah, so it works. It's a win-win for both.
Win-win situation.
And then that 350 votes that the sponsor buys carries that contestant right through the 5 shows. Yeah.
We have there are two levels. A per show level, that is the 35 vote per show, or you multiply that by 5 show. I can't tell you how much is 5 by 35 at the moment. I think it's I can't do the maths at the moment. But a person can pay for all 5 show at once or pay per show. So when
That's
a
a really
person
cool
pay
idea.
per show,
That's a really cool idea. I really like that.
yeah man, cause if me not have the money for pay for all 5 show, me can pay for 1 or 2.
Yeah.
And then you get more sponsors to pay for the rest.
Yeah, so then that contestant is guaranteed their space. They don't have to worry about collecting votes, but if they get more votes on top of that, then all good. It just puts
All
them
good.
puts them up the ranking.
Just put them further up the ranking.
Cool. Excellent
So that's one
idea.
of my favorite parts.
Yeah.
Also, when you use the website, you will realize that each time you go on a page or you do an activity, you will get points. We call them gems.
Yo, scroll down back on a page.
So each time you earn gems, you can convert them to coins.
Dan, scroll down.
Going down.
Area.
Dan, scroll up back.
Up. Right, Lioness. So when you use the website, you'll realize say you have coins growing with each use. So we're also doing that.
A sponsor comes in
Tap,
and
tap,
using the
tap, tap,
website.
tap, 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 tap.
Not hearing it.
Oh, sassy. Hold on, I done that too. Oh, I click on your profile, I see what I go on this. Bro, so Dawkins is your last name?
Boy,
Hold on,
back
watch
up
out.
off of me.
Hold on, no.
Dawkins.
Oh, she no long writings like Fiona. I want to go on this. I'll be here. How are them sitting there?
Our long writings dead, man.
Where?
Don't worry about it.
That's a
Worry
different
about your.
section.
That's a
Where?
different section. What? This is urine. This is urines. Okay, that's a different section. I'm at the front of the page. This is the one. Okay.
How are them?
She's
Jesus
out of the
Christ.
magazine.
So
Jesus
you see what me tell you? Said the eyelash come from Tasha.
You can see eyelash Tawcha?
You're blind. You're most blind. You hear me
Yeah.
so long.
What? I filter with them on our phone.
Come to
I
lie.
can't
see.
see it now.
Come to lie and you see big lash and say you're low touch and your eyelash on free. How the
Ah,
blood?
look at the glasses there. Look at the glasses.
So you don't see him eye, Chinky Bruce.
Bruce.
Nah, but my glasses, we can't see. What? No, man, no,
Look
that's
What eye
a
glasses?
Watch it. Me can't count them. Watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4 big eyelash, brother. You see it? You can't. Hey, it's alright, man. Bruce could have a scream shot it right now. I read scream record. It's alright, Bruce.
So that one have to work. That. Yeah, this probably
Hold
works.
on. I choose she have a filter on her phone. That's why.
Yeah, man, I see
The
it now.
eyelash.
Lord gosh.
How
How you do to Tawcha Dan?
see that blink off and blink on there. So yeah, you know, see, do for your Bruce one too. Go on Bruce one and see say you and Bruce. I show Bruce name now look, you know.
Yeah.
Go on Bruce
I
one.
have my glass now. May I see everything here now?
Put a go on Bruce.
Holy spoker.
See there? All the man lick them
Lord
red.
gosh. My name see no sir. Take off it.
What?
No, man.
You're
See?
too pretty.
Oh, Danehsa lashing her up, so.
Please.
That is
Nobody
scary
did
looking.
that lash.
You just
You
because
lash them up.
You should have glad say a whole heap of people on the live I watch it for say yo, walk one this up. Walk one this up.
I'm in a season, Natasha.
Why
Me,
news?
me could do it. Anyways, it's a this is
Dan,
the
And
check
then
in
no one
a
Nancy,
go
do
up on
what,
check in
a
sir?
a
airport, you know,
jukebox.
that
Check
me
in
and
a
you know.
jukebox if
Oh.
it work.
Bruce,
Yes.
me send you some other pictures, you know. Why you did not use those?
Those are afterwards. I did it before.
Juliet tone of eyelash if you click on it, you see it.
No, but it would have been okay if
Look,
me
see
have
there?
lash.
You look good, see there? But no, wait. It bossy. But no show the lash.
No, because I'm a side view. If it was front view, like phone,
See
one
there,
would.
no,
See that, see
No,
that, see
come here, come take
yeah.
off the lash. They make me look like Ursula.
Wait, I know
Oh,
lash alone and
give a
blush go
Harley,
on show. You know
give her the
see
black version of Harley Gwen.
What may I
Yeah.
tell you?
blush and lipstick
Ursula.
go on.
You know what? No go and leave me. I don't go and leave Miss Darling daughter alone, you know.
Oy.
Bruce will finish with the you wanna go somewhere else?
I want to see the jukebox. The jukebox is my favorite
I
because
touch a cat.
I like records and all of them
No man was
are
outside
records.
and then just come on us guns.
I don't know if the music then there. Oh, it looks up on here one. It's supposed to be a big old record. Danehsa, you're sitting on refresh. It's supposed to be a big old
No,
record that spin when the music play. That you were old people and we
let me
used to
go.
record.
Bruce,
Hello, speak for yourself.
you know, more ask Danisha from the first day I go up online. All the left and right thing I mix up with me. So I watch them, I find some finger go on next to you. All that way. How about that?
No, the record, when the artist then put on and track it come on the record, like this are the music player. So if you scroll, go down,
Nah lie, this look good. This look good, Bruce. Nah
I
lie.
see artists, them away artists face them I go on something. Trust me, man. This site go on with itself.
So Bruce, about a year it take you for build a site, I know.
For 3 months, and it's
Nah man, listen boy.
then that's why I'm not name that hear much from me, man.
So it finished fully, I still a work on.
All the music that Danehsa, we don't hear what Tawcha say. Pull up selector. Yeah, where you say no Tawcha?
I say it don't know, I still have some more finishing touch.
Some finishing touch I go on, man. The version that with Danehsa have on a final version, I realize.
But that look damn good, same way,
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. I love that spinning record thing. So anyone who uploads a song, everyone who uploads a song, they're gonna
Hi,
get their own
philosophical
spinning vinyl.
Phil. Thanks for joining. Anthony Torture. Where is the cat?
At the same Tawcha we open our box.
Then I may ask, where is the cat?
Who say no manners, man? Just look and go and both. I try on a TV, that's why I make a one movie, I go and see if I'm not watching. Back all the phone out of my hand. What? And then get rose. Hold them now.
Oh, thank you.
Shablers. Shablers.
Tawcha, you want somebody trim you by it? Trim you.
Hello, me tell you this. Me tell hey, lower no man. Ah, it is lower no man, nah, do it just lower.
Then I want to get 25 coins. When did that happen?
What?
You know, say, make a call a woman from Beverly Hospital and tell her, so we have a patient.
Yeah.
This Valley Hospital.
What's your name
You
again?
she laugh your fart. She gonna say, yo, this can't hold me.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sorry, Miss Brown said.
You know, she's on TikTok too. The woman where I run it.
A Facebook me book her upon.
No, she's up on TikTok and she mad funny. Cause she act out with her with the patient them.
Yeah, me like
Behave
what
like
she
one
do.
of them.
Me like what
Yes.
she do. A Facebook me book her upon. I don't see her over this side.
I have to send you her page.
Yeah. Say, man, up a Bellevue, I see me want look for
Oh,
me.
Jesus. Save them by the blood. We cancel every Bellevue argument and delete them in
Oh,
Jesus'
Lord.
name. No Bellevue argument. Our mind shall be up and ready for
No Bellevue.
100%
No
talent.
Bellevue. Yes. 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 This is the turning point. And hopefully everybody push them full 100 in it. You know, if we push a full 100 next year, we have to decide should we accept an offer from TVJ or CVM? You know?
That is
Because
where that is it in Jesus' name. We say yes.
thank you very much.
Yes, preach it.
No, for real, man. Because that's where we're trying to reach. The EM was first Ready TV, but we're climb beyond network cable and try to head to national
Bruce
TV.
Vice, you know, man.
Yeah, man, the cat they know some are good people.
Yeah, the post does up on the screen, you fat.
But you're not back with see post that, yeah.
No, I don't know why it not pick up all that. You know how long the post there, so I watch the screen, brother.
You must have to put on a lash pan in.
Well,
I can't bother with Danehsa and her tricky phone. So
Here.
So when you have a lash, Danehsa, I know your lash.
No, it's mine.
And your phone give a lash.
No, it's mine.
So I make your phone give you a lash.
I don't know.
Well,
But didn't you never see me with lash on early?
Ain't that low. You know, I have to put on my glass because I have to send people to look for my glass so I see the lash with Tasha I talk about because I couldn't see it before. Yeah, that one I walk a lot. Yeah, that one I look good.
He's a cute kitty.
yeah, the boy.
Oh, where that one there?
The rest they are sleep out Bomba, some boy place.
I want one of them.
Oh, you know, you don't know the money are general.
Yeah, man,
The
they
little
look.
black one.
Sleep a boxing too. Hurry.
Lioness are putting her order for your all black one.
Give it to ask you, hurry, wake up.
Oh, that's a Oreo, no? Oh, Lord, gosh. From Mr. Danehsa, look like she wants to sleep. I know we're going to pass the time. Yeah, man, need to watch your time.
All right, so we got through with the website, and hopefully everybody can go on the website and register.
Dan Vice just put it to sleep, eh? What? Yeah, boy. What that, Dan?
You're gonna have to pay me to talk.
Yeah. Come on. You can't resist. I can't as Dan chat to blow. Oh, man. Hurry, yo.
Oh, I forgot. Like when you go on the website and you scroll down, you're gonna see the option here to sign up. I don't know if it's blurry. You see it?
Did you click on the sign up?
No, I'm just saying if you can see it.
Yeah, we can see it.
Yo, bro, so now screen record this. All the post check in and no one how do you know.
Yeah, man, that well screen record.
The push full of talent.
Push got talent.
So this is the to sign up here.
Okay.
Okay, you scroll down.
What do you need to sign up?
Your stage name, your legal name, your email, your phone number, your date of birth, what parish your gender.
What?
And
so you got hard?
Watch Parish Agenda.
Yeah. Yeah. Your link to your TikTok, your YouTube, and you can also have a short bio on yourself and everything. And you upload your picture and a little preview of a video.
So
All
Dan
right.
Dan, I can finally ask that question now.
What is the question?
Why my scream set away where my point, or my point left? My point right, my finger point left. You see? Or how that work? What one is so? How would anybody want to ask you, you know?
Me invent TikTok.
What you mean?
All
You feel
right.
I do everything correct. Me not see what me I do right. Watch out now. Me I look over this so my face gone over this so.
And here's the rule. Here's, you get the rule book. As soon as you fill out your application, you can come over here and you can read everything about 100% talent and the rule book.
How much rules are?
Well, you could see.
A Wally.
It's a lot.
Oh God. How with the backside? This our warehouse am I working at?
This look like the judgment day when you're going up a step, your lad start to read out your deeds, the man said.
Let me tell you about it to
And you wanna tell them about the prize.
Oh, they know about the prize already. First prize is 500,000 and a music video. I tries to either
No, I'm
star
talking
the
about this
movie.
one.
Then me not gonna get down to it. What the MVP
Okay.
you want me to talk about?
Yeah.
So the MVP, I think we're at 50,000 at the moment. And that are for the most votes where one person gets. So we have one MVP, which is the most valuable performer. Right. Then we're gonna have a prize for the best singer, best reggae artist, best dancehall artist, best dancer, best instrumentalist. That's what I remember so far, and each one of them are 20,000 Dan?
Yeah.
Oh, and what about the best poet, the best
singer.
drummer?
And you have gospel singer.
Best gospel singer. I'm gonna win the segment then.
And you have best dress.
The judge can't enter.
And the most unique name.
Move yourself, no man, Tawcha. You couldn't make me slide in and just do a thing. You just bust my bubbles, so.
Yeah. So everything is there when you sign up.
We have to drop one series after Judge Got Talent.
True. True. Make
So
them
which
feel
one
how
are we more talented? And me I go lose. And me I go lose that one.
Me too. Me make sure me I lose first. Me I forfeit. Not even lose. Me I forfeit for her.
And Juliet I go win everything. Because she can scam.
What you mean? I'm there no one for say. You know, me dance off, me sing off, me poet off. Everything off.
Okay. So
Meet the chaos. I would have been there on the front this one.
don't worry about that one.
Look, goddamn.
That's season 1 host.
Yeah.
These are the guest judge. On the lineup so far. We'll have more guest judge.
Fancy verse.
And this was season 2. So and this is season 1.
Huh?
Yeah, so everything is updated and
Put it on my
backtracked.
favorite.
Say it again.
Put
Come
it
show
on my
me
favorite.
Put it on what?
My favorite artist, down. No, you don't say click nobody. Say I'm a man there. See, man with the hammer. See him there? Up, your part. You don't know I'm a man.
Mm-mm.
Hammer.
That picture not come out. Yeah, man, he always perform with the hammer in there and...
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin.
Let me tell you this, Bruce. When I lend no more man me hammer again, you know. You must go buy thing own. That me I tell a youth, you know. Oh.
You and the man the hammer.
Give my crowbar to walk. We don't call him crowbar.
So you just pass through all of the cast for all of the seasons combined, right?
Yes, and
Okay. Cause you know, see nothing. So I wonder if I work with so much people this year. So you have to differentiate when you show it. So Data did season 1, Data did season 2. You get me? Because I guess we change judge and whatnot when we go on to new
Yeah.
seasons. And some judge are repeat. You know? All right, so I think we can wrap up for this night. It was a good night. Next week we go look artists. We come perform. And Juliet go dope her ear and her face. And
Bro,
put on
so
her
much,
long wig.
so much things me have for me. The host, so much jacket me have lying off up there, boy.
Who there?
My jacket them they line up for me host, you know, you don't play with it, you know. Okay.
A 5 you go want, a 5 show. 5 you go want. Pick
About
out
10
5
up there,
out
so.
time.
About 10. Cause every artist perform, me I go and go change and come back. So you go see me there with them everything. Yeah, man, as an artist done, me go change and come back. I say, hold on, how much close to someone have me say, I'm if I tell him about it.
Come like we have to go extend the show. Like 5 is not enough.
Sir, to me I do the show, I might think a 10 show I go on a 1 in a 5 night. Yeah, man.
Well, technically a 2 show go on in a 1 night, you know.
Hold on there. Dan. Who's Dan the night, man?
Why the man I love call my name?
Watch the eyelash there. You see eyelash there, Miss Julie. Watch it. Turn up on her face.
They're mine, so they're not going anywhere. Okay. Thank you
The
very much.
live is unavailable.
Hey. Put her finger just run through it like AI.
Send it
Zoop
still
like
and
AI.
see if it
Zoop.
comes through. Send it still and see if it comes through.
I get it.
Send it still. Let me see if it comes through.
Dan. Love God.
Let me send you the invite.
There we
All right,
go.
so you
for a week,
said
when
so.
you come down,
Next week,
yeah.
next week, I need to see at least 3 or 4 artists to get to
Okay,
work.
boss. Okay, boss.
Yeah, but get to
Get
work.
to work.
How
Bruce,
much?
can I ask a question? You sure the
Sure.
live is available to the public?
This live?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because
No, the reason why,
somebody said that it is unavailable. It says unavailable to them.
You know why? She
Yeah.
says American TikTok. That's why.
No, the page is not private, so them can see it.
It not have to be private, but I tell you, say once it's American TikTok, nothing in Jamaica now about that pan them sitting there. No matter how much you want to be, wait name the top
People,
thing that
well, if they click and Miss Juliet name, they can also see that she's live, so them can always tune
Tash
in.
did that Jamaica. And Tash, come on.
Everybody can see. Your followers can see. My followers can see. Whose followers can see. Lioness followers can see. So she's on live. So if they want, we click, and we pass over 20,000. So with that pan, a lot of people is tuning in from all over. So it doesn't matter.
Oh, because somebody was saying that they're trying to get on, but it's unavailable to them. So that's why I'm asking.
Oh no, they could. Just share it to them.
Tell the person.
That's what I did.
Can't get on.
I just shared it with the person, and the person said that
share a
it is.
video.
Share
Another Australian is
Share the
watching
page
now.
or share a
The
video.
Lioness friend is watching right now.
I did not get that, Bruce.
No, I'm saying share the page itself or share a video from the page and make them jump on the way there. Because like what we did said, the only thing we can think will happen when TikTok say when we naked. So them
Who did naked?
black it out to some people.
I did Tawcha naked.
That why me? Why me?
We don't know. Suppose you don't have on a shirt.
Dan.
No, that's a lie. TikTok know I had on shirt. That was you.
Dan, Anna lick her lips, man.
Yeah.
Soft talk.
That Torture was too pretty with his lashes.
Your body is so whatever it is.
I know, say, hi, Lioness friend who's watching all the way from Australia. Big up. I don't know your name, but big up Australia in the building. One Australia upon the apples, the Jamaican them say. Crikey, Mike. Shout out to Australia, crikey, yeah.
We don't say me that comfortable. Yo,
Everybody gather around now.
So Bruce and Tawcha line up
Jen.
on an artist them.
Everybody
Jen.
bring an artist next week. Everybody bring a performer. Let's stop say artist. Let's say entertainer and performer.
Yes.
Because-
See. Hi, Jen. Is that Jen
Can
from
be
Australia?
anybody.
Everybody say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
You sound like some 3-year-old. Hey. Hi.
Oh,
Hello.
yeah, Jamaica.
So that is the mission.
Jen, Wagwan,
Jen. Wagwan. That's how we do it.
Black you.
Yeah.
So next week, everybody bring a one performer. Okay.
Hi, Jen.
Yes. And we're not talking about a post no, Tawcha. We're talking about bring somebody.
Yes, sir.
We're not
Yeah,
talking
so
about
you
your
have
cat.
one
You're
artist
talking
from
right now.
us.
I'm no post that as wake up back come. You want to contact to them? Man, walk
I will
off.
try. I will try and bring an actress next week for you.
Actress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jen, that's my girl. Woo! That's your girl. All right, Jen. Big up, Jen. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Jen. Crikey, big up. Big up, Jen. All right. Yeah. One Jen on the app.
Of course.
That's how we say it in Jamaica. Yeah, we do it big, you know what I mean? One Jen on the app. Mm-hmm. It's like how we say one Dan with the blue eye them on app. Mm-hmm.
A blue eye done up on the app.
You
No,
know, see?
I have no blue eye. Which blue eye you talking about?
It
Which
looks
is that
blue
you
from
look
where
blue?
we are.
It look blue?
All of blue.
Dan, just sit down,
It's
no,
a
man.
brownie eye, I must say, but
Dan,
thanks.
just cool yourself, no, man. Yeah, both tongues. Yeah, watch out,
Never know me have
take
blue eye. That's why me I wide up my eye for seven. I ain't a blue, but thanks.
Watch out, take it, tongues. You can ask Lioness, we're seeing blue. All right, girl, we're seeing blue. Mm-hmm.
Well, that not bad. At
And your
least.
lips are super red, especially bottom one.
Oh, that
And
not
you're so
bad.
sweetie. Bam, bam.
Work on the
That not
bottom.
bad. That not bad.
Work on the bottom lip.
Bottom lip there red, man. Top one brown like chocolate. Till like she bonus spliff.
Bruce and Angle Tawcha.
Some good way to talk about anything I think bad. Tap your same page off and even me see how do it. Tap fret. We are fret punch. Chop.
Ow.
And even yeah. Tap fret power. Chop. We're here to full try it.
So
I leave it to you and you post them, yeah? For them
Yeah,
detail.
make it push them crab in.
Yeah.
Push them crab in.
So where you bring Danehsa, Juliet bring an actress, me I bring a reggae singer. Who you bring?
I probably bring an artist. I'm gonna try to see if one of my cousins them can come on.
What kind of artist? Dancehall, reggae, gospel?
Probably the one that raps.
Wrap what? Chicken, cheese.
No, he's a
Sandwich.
rapper. No, he's a rapper. I'm gonna ask him to come on next week.
Bro, see next color, yeah. That's the next color one.
Oh, Ginger.
Yeah.
That's Ginger right there.
Ginger.
Let me see Ginger face. Let me see
No.
Ginger face. Let me see
Ah.
Ginger face.
Tawcha,
Yeah.
when you come off, ma'am, the person with me you did a talk about. Did it get through?
Yeah, them fine. Somebody will give them a test run and see what you gonna.
Okay.
Ginger, I'm tell you this. I don't know if you play with a real ear, yeah? It come off. But I come to drop on them like a bomba string, that me I tell
The
you.
post,
Oh.
the post, then look.
But if I go pray for Tawcha, you know, cause them the cat, they are mad Tawcha over there. Who not dry here, I plug out in fan.
Yo, I say I do that alone, boy. I say one man, me get up my hot like fire. Yeah, but I say, well, I like gun. Look, I pussy like him a chop on him. I say, hey, couldn't plug in while I chop on him, and God forgive him, but he just give her one slap. You know, if you dead, you know, just give her one slap. The blood. Yeah.
My name make them take me down for animal cruelty.
Hey,
Me and me tell if you go buy a ticket.
we
No,
should have
sir.
gone on a four-way match for test out the match something there. The
You want
match should have gone on four-way match to test out the
Doing?
match.
Who is doing me?
No, Dan
okay,
can't go in there.
understand.
Dan can't go in there. No,
Welcome. Thanks for
Why
joining
so
the live.
Mark says
You can't go in
something.
there.
Mama literally asked you something.
You
You
can't go in there.
ever see me on Jamaica News and say me is a thief? Eh?
Yeah, most
Eh?
wanted. Most
You ever
wanted.
see me on Most Wanted?
Yes, that's what I say. You cannot join.
Eh?
You're going to kill the
We
whole
know
of it.
about
No.
me. We
See,
know
you're
about
gonna
me.
kill
I
the
leave it
bros.
to your two post them, yeah? I hope them
Yeah.
drag out every strand of ear
You see,
pan your head, yeah?
Plug out him. Plug out him ear like how them plug out the fan.
As you see, the pussy all smell the phone to back. Those and I know why Dan
And
can't join the match.
now we are having Tawcha. Yeah, me can't come yet. Why you can't come out, Tawcha? He pushed papa out me here.
Yes.
Right.
No, sir. That's where it go. Oh, Jesus.
When you go wake up for about just calm on yourself and go lay down there. Do me a bit.
You man, they push them again?
Yes.
So this I get serious.
I understand, alright. You don't say them I get understand. You wait them in a beer and like you come like a national stadium to look,
So, Mr. Bruce, Lioness, Anthony, and the one and only Clemmy. Thanks you guys. Thank you guys for having me. Danehsa, thank you for
welcome.
always doing what you do, you know, teaching us a thing or two, showing us what we need to see, and informing us about, you know, all the things that needs to be done. We appreciate you. We will never take you for granted. Tawcha, thank you for the entertainment with those two cats. Yeah. I hope they don't plug out you hear them tonight.
Yeah, you're not
Bruce, as usual, we want to big you up and tell you thanks for incorporating us in your venture. We really do feel, you know, special. Lioness, we want to hear you sing. We want to hear you, you know, see you perform. And sooner or later, we are going to have Lioness as the big international star. Remember, if you need a backup singer, you know, I'm suit them, I'm African suit them, and everything already. So, Lioness, if you don't want me at Loggerhead, make sure say I am there as a backup singer. And that's what I do. All right?
No, so, you can be up the front. I'm way in the back. I'm just a scout.
It doesn't matter as long as I am there. Anyway, come we go chant down Babylon one more time. You understand? Anything you're ready for, we're ready. All right?
They like it, man. Yes. Get them all a bounce to the rhythm, watch it, yeah.
Jesus. All right, go on,
Lioness, me have to drop a blank for that one and then a sketch, wing.
One shot.
Big tune.
Yeah, man.
Well, thank you for a very entertaining past hour, you guys. And
you know, I said that poster look like Tawcha.
I mean, box yeah, so she talk about. I mean, put her in a box pan there. What she talk about? Yeah. Hey! Read my post in the yard. Tell her no what she say. No what she say, Ginger. Turn up to the occasion. Yeah, to her, Ginger.
Yay, a fellow Ginger.
Ginger favor, yeah. Can pass your twin.
Ginger. How are you?
So guys,
so Lioness is gonna sing next week.
Take care.
All right, see you.
And next week again. And I think we need to start the invite from before we come on, inviting people, making them aware of the live, and you know, telling them to join us to listen, and For me, I think I need to invite some of my students on because it would be good to have them. So I'll invite some on. All right, guys,
Okay.
bless up on yourself.
See
We'll be
you
doing
Master
the
Bruce,
invite
Danehsa,
posters
Tawcha,
early next week.
Lioness. I'm
later.
out.
Good night.
Laters.
All right, one Clement out. All right. So Danisha, we have come to the end of a live. We have gone 43 minutes overboard. So
I guess next week. And remember, guys, bring an artist, an actor, a poet, anything that you guys can bring so we can start it.
all right. Me go
How many
work on my
people
reggae artist.
tuned in?
Huh?
How many
How
people
much
were
people
watching
take?
this live today?
When I come off, I can see how much people tune in.
We have about 10 or 12, something like that. Anytime.
All right, I'm out. Catch you guys next time.
All right. See you next week.
Peace.
Bye.
All right. Later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.